Hi everyone, welcome to Smart X Goals, and here we are going to unbox this Voltas Beko 640 liter of refrigerator. We just bought it during recent online sale, so it was a open box delivery. That is why it is already half unboxed. There are some instruction stickers, so we can see how this is gonna work. This is the fridge setting touch panel to set the multiple settings on the fridge. Now let's open it and see what's inside. You can see there are multiple shelves, and these are made up of glass, and these are the ice trays and ice box. These are some other storage boxes on the freezer side. The quality of the plastic is really good. This is the other side of the fridge where we can store veggies and other stuff. This is the metal tray, and other same glass. And there are some other storage boxes, and it also have some safety boxes. This is the left side of the door and this is the right side of the door, where you can also store multiple other things according to your choice. So yeah, this was the unboxing video for this Voltas Beko 640 liter of refrigerator. If you like my video, then please consider subscribe. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.